Hey yo! So if you have already watched my introduction video, you know that this journey is going to be audience centric or based on audience's demand basis. So like I'm not just going to create content out of a whim. I'm going to actually consult my audience base as to what they want to see. But here's a catch. The catch is, well, I don't have an infinite source of content, definitely. I can only talk about things which are factually true, correct, and valuable. And they also have to be within my domain. So here is a list of topics that is within the domain of my expertise. I may be stretching a little bit too thin here, considering expertise also lies on a spectrum. So these are the topics. First of all, IGCSE or IAL, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, and Accounting. I can create content regarding that. I can also create content regarding AP and IB classes of the exact same subjects, because I've already taught students under those curriculums and help them prepare for those examinations. So if you want, I will be able to create content as a playlist basis, so incorporating the topics which fall under the syllabus of these specialized examinations. Under IGCSE, I can also create content regarding English language B, Bengali, Mathematics B, pure mathematics, and yeah, that's actually all there is up until that level. I can create content regarding electrical and electronics engineering. I can create content under the specific courses which fall under electrical and electronics engineering. For example, electrical circuits DC, electrical circuits AC, alternating current, direct current previously, electronic circuits and devices, electronic circuits and devices physics. I can create semiconductor device physics. I can create content under energy conversion. I can create content under digital signal processing, signals and systems. I can create content under microprocessors. I can create content under control systems, theory and applications. I can also create content under topics such as autonomous systems, digital systems design, digital electronics, very large scale integrated circuit design, analog integrated circuits, and power electronics. I can also create let's say foundational and starting with both mathematics as well as how to get into the software end of artificial intelligence, starting all the way from the basics of the mathematics that goes inside creating artificial intelligence systems, how they work in the real world, their applications, as well as all the way up to cutting edge research, starting with methodology as to how you can conduct applied machine learning, deep learning, or artificial intelligence research just sitting home using your computer. I can create content regarding that. I can create content regarding, let's say, the entire formal process of writing a thesis or publication level material, and I will be providing like links and content to back up what I'm saying. So these are basically on the educational spectrum of content that I can create. I can also create content regarding history, and this one is a personal favorite, because growing up I enjoyed most of school because I liked the positively competitive environment that we were able to create while we were learning. But what I specifically enjoyed was history, because it came with narratives, right? You know, what happened in the past, because I personally think we're not independent information modes. We're all interdependent, and what happens in the past matters in the present just as much as it matters in the future. So I can create infographics and contents regarding history topics. I can also make content regarding, let's say, places I may visit. I also once previously thought about creating content like, have anyone of you seen Mega Factories. It's basically a documentary style show of National Geographic Channel, where what they do is they go inside massive factories and they cover the production processes all the way from raw materials to end product, and then they basically create a factual documentary out of it. I can do the exact same thing on a micro scale. For example, there are micro factories within Dhaka and basically all over the world where people are creating products and services and basically explain anything related to business or management or how the modern economy works. Because I also like economics a lot. It's a personal interest of mine. I like exploring markets, how they work, what motivates them, what drives them, what creates changes, what bolsters them, what drops them down, all of it. So these are basically, how should I put this? Topics which are at the top of my head, topics under which I can create content for you. So please feel free to make comments, like and subscribe if you think what I'm talking about is relevant and useful, at the same time valuable. And please make sure to comment and let me know whether you think I'm going in the correct direction, and also make suggestions regarding which topics I should cover, which topics I should create content regarding, because that is going to dictate my next moves. I hope you have a wonderful day. Catch you soon.